With this activity, students are going to walk through how to make a game. And there is multiple different steps and directions to support the students on these different activities. And you'll notice that if students click, it's going to take them to a resource. And on these different resources, these were kind of helped and guided by John. So, John, thank you so much for being a gamer and supporting all these fun ideas to support students. So, how to make a game? Students are first going to establish the goal. What is the goal? And I like to have students use all of the different tools within Kami where they can draw, they could add images, they could add their audio or a video to explain their thinking. You can assign this to individual students, or you could assign this as a group and students work collaboratively together. Does each student have the same goal? So, again, asking that question, does every single student have that goal in mind, and is it similar? Are they working together, or do they work individually towards this goal? So, again, students are going to go through each of these different steps and answer these questions as they design their game. On the resource slide, there are multiple different resources where students can explore different websites or slides to kind of help them create their own game. Maybe they want to create a card creator template, or maybe your students want to create stand-up pieces. So again, they can come in, decide what they need for their game, and there are the materials to create it. Students will then, after they can kind of go through these brainstorming, explore those resources, then they create their actual game. This could be physical, or it could maybe even be a digital game based on what they brainstormed from the above 4 steps. Students will then create a video or maybe even written directions, or you might require both, for your students to create their game. After that, they're going to play test the game, revise, and then make any revisions needed. And so, again, there's questions to kind of help them get through this process in creating their fantastic game that they're going to play with each other.